The following program demonstrates how the contents of a variable can change over time. In this example, a string variable named promise is created and used in two different scenarios. First, the user answers yes to a question, and promise takes on one value. Then, the user answers no to another question, and promise changes to reflect that response. This simple shift in the contents of promise illustrates the core idea of what a variable is, a container that can hold different values as a program runs. This includes the standard input-output library, which provides functions like printf and fgets for input and output operations. This includes the string handling library, which provides functions like strcspn used to manipulate strings. This is the entry point of the program. Execution starts here. This declares a character array, string, named promise with a capacity of 100 characters. This variable will store user input. Printf displays a question to the user. Fgets is a standard C function used to read a line of text from a file or input stream. Promise is the destination buffer where the input string will be stored. In this case, it's a character array of size 100. Size of promise calculates the total size of the buffer promise, which is 100 bytes. It tells fgets to read up to 99 characters, leaving room for the null terminator. This is the standard input stream, typically the keyboard. This section of code finds the position of the newline character in the input stream. The entire line replaces the new line with the null terminator. This ensures the string ends cleanly without a new line and makes the string suitable for printing the answer without an extra line. This line displays the user's first input and follows up with another question. %s is a format specifier that tells printf to expect a string argument. Promise is the string variable that holds the user's input. When printf runs, it replaces %s with the contents of promise. The explanation of the next three lines are similar to these three lines. They record and display the user's input. If the user answers yes here and no here, the variable will change from yes to no in the same program. Here is what the program would look like after running it and answering the questions.